In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your Telegram search not working. So let's just get straight into the video. The first step you need to do is simply try to restart your Telegram application just like I did. If that doesn't work, then it could be potentially because of your internet connection. Try turning on your airplane mode on and off, and also do the same with your Wi-Fi connection in order to ensure that you have a proper stable connection. The other thing you can do is clear cache on Android, and that is done by heading to settings. But on an iPhone, all you need to do is simply go ahead and uninstall and then install the application back, and that should go ahead and fix it. Also, do check if a Telegram application has any updates incoming, as you can see by searching on App Store, because when there is any updates, then that could also be a potential problem. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If it did, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.